In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Brave browser and fine-tune its shields to elevate your browsing experience. We'll also address how to keep those tiresome looping ads at bay by clearing your cache and cookies. These are essential steps for maintaining an efficient and secure browsing environment, and I'm here to guide you through each of these processes so that you can navigate the digital world with ease and confidence. First, let's focus on updating the Brave browser itself. Keeping your browser up to date is crucial, because it ensures you have the latest security features and performance improvements. To get started, open your Brave browser. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see a menu icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click on that to open the menu. From this drop-down, select Settings. On the Settings page, take a look at the sidebar on the left. Scroll through that sidebar until you find About Brave. When you click on About Brave, the browser will automatically check for any available updates. If there's an update waiting for you, Brave will download it immediately. After it completes, you'll simply need to relaunch the browser to apply the new update. Updates often include critical security patches and enhancements that improve your browsing experience, so this is an important step not to overlook. Next, let's talk about updating your shields, which is Brave's built-in ad blocker. Shields help you protect your privacy by blocking unwanted trackers and ads. To adjust the settings, head over to any website. For instance, let's try YouTube. Once on the site, look towards the address bar. You'll find a small icon depicting a lion, which represents shields. Click on this lion icon to access your shield settings. Here, make sure that the option for trackers and ads blocking is set to Aggressive. This setting offers a more robust blocking mechanism, helping you keep most ads and trackers at bay. Also check to ensure that Block fingerprinting and block cookies cross-site options are turned on. These features are vital in maintaining your anonymity as you browse, as they prevent websites from tracking your behavior across different sites, enhancing your privacy. Finally, let's tackle clearing your cache and cookies. This can solve various browsing issues, such as the infamous looping ads, by removing old data that might be causing discrepancies. To clear these, head back into your browser's settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security, and from there, find the option that says Clear Browsing Data. When you click on it, select the checkboxes for cookies and cached files. Once you've made those selections, click Clear to delete the data. Doing this not only aids in smoothing out any hiccups you might encounter with browsing, but it also provides a small boost to your overall browsing speed.